Hello family, Shee is back again with a braided headband. As we are currently experiencing such a hot weather, it's best not to cover your whole head. Therefore, please keep watching and don't forget to check the measurement in the description. So fam, grab your two turbans. It can be of the same color. So mine is quite long, so I folded them into two. Place one on my shoulders and the other one, folded that one as well into two, and begin to braid it. Make sure the measurement is half of the part that you are going to braid. So by now, just use your head to secure the one on your shoulders and begin to braid it up. So by braiding it up, we will have our easy made headband that you don't need to buy, because this headband is so nice. But they've got some that you can buy, but you can also DIY it yourself by doing this simple technique. So doing so, I try to secure the tape, the end, then stretch it, adjust it so that when you place it on your head, it will be nice. So now I place it on my head and then tie it. By tying it, I will be very sure of the measurement and then take off from my head and then secure the back properly, and you will have a remaining fabric. So now you try and wrap it around of it at the tip where the space was it. So there we go, our headband is done. This is the first time you place it just as it is straight on your head. So that's the 360 look. It's such a nice one, quick and easy for the summer. So now you can adjust it by shifting it to be a bit diagonal, and then you have your second look. There we go. So fam, that's all that I've got for you today. It's a really hot weather. I was really boiling inside, so as we're keeping it simple and also affordable, just grab your turbans and replicate this look and you would love it. So until we meet again, please take care, stay hydrated and stay blessed. Bye bye.